In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a planner in Microsoft Planner. Whether you're organizing a personal project or setting up a collaborative workspace for your team, Microsoft Planner offers a straightforward and effective way to manage tasks and deadlines. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open your preferred web browser. Once it's open, go ahead and enter Microsoft Planner in the search bar. This should lead you to the official page where you'll find Microsoft Planner ready for you. Once you're on the Microsoft Planner homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Sign In button there. Click on it. If you've previously set up a Microsoft 365 account and frequently use this device, there is a chance that you might be automatically signed in. But if that's not the case, simply enter your email address and follow it with your password when prompted. This step will make sure you have access to all the features of Microsoft Planner. Now that you've successfully signed in, you should find yourself on the Planner homepage. It's time to create your first plan. Look out for the Plus New Plan button, which should be prominently displayed. Clicking on this will begin the process of setting up your new plan. At this stage, you'll need to come up with a name for your plan. It could be anything relevant like Marketing Project Q4 or Home Renovation Schedule, depending on what the plan is for. Putting some thought into the name can help you and anyone you're working with quickly identify the purpose of the plan. You're then going to choose a group option. You have two choices here. You can start fresh with a new group, or you can add to an existing group within your Microsoft 365 setup. If you opt for creating a new group, you simply select that option, and it will set up a new space for the plan under Microsoft 365. If you decide on using an existing group, click Add to an existing Microsoft 365 group. On the Choose a Group page that appears next, you'll see a list of existing groups. Simply select the one that fits your current project. Don't forget there's an Options menu where you can add a description to give more context about what the plan is all about. Providing additional information here could be really helpful, especially if others are involved in the plan. Finally, make your plan official by clicking on Create Plan. This will finalize and establish your new planner, making it available for you to start organizing tasks, assignments, and deadlines immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully created a planner in Microsoft Planner. Enjoy planning, and here's to achieving all your goals efficiently and effectively.